The Community Scorecard presents a comprehensive analysis of sexual and reproductive health and rights, climate governance, gender-based service delivery, and social protection across selected chiefdoms in Sierra Leone. The assessment was conducted in 2025 across 23 chiefdoms in 5 districts: Banff, Falaba, Kailaun, Kenema, and Kano districts, with the purpose to assess the quality, accessibility, inclusiveness, and accountability of public service delivery from the perspectives of both service users and service providers, with particular attention to women, youth, and persons with disabilities. Head of Programs, Governance and Gender, St. Sierra Leone, Brahim Mansari, said the community scorecard was rooted in the principles of social accountability, participatory governance, and citizen-centered development. He said the most alarming finding in the report relates to climate governance.
The findings reveal an undeniable reality. While basic services structures exist across Sierra Leone, many systems remain fragile, uneven, underfunded, and heavily dependent on short-term project interventions rather than sustainable institutional frameworks.
Presenting key findings, the mill manager, St. Sierra Leone, Edward Gbori, said the findings indicated that SIHR services are moderately available and functional in some chiefdoms, with significant gaps remain. Climate governance emerged as a critical area of concern. According to him, across all assessed chiefdoms, community engagement in climate decision-making is extremely weak, stating gender-based service delivery also shows significant structural weaknesses, with women's representation in leadership, decision-making, and budget processing was very limited due to cultural norms and lack of institutional support, indicating that social protection was highly inconsistent and frequently politicized, with school feeding programs generally performing better than cash transfers. Country Director St. Sierra Leone Joseph Ayamga, launching a report, said the findings provide evidence to inform program adaptation, district and national policy dialogue, and strengthen social accountability mechanisms. Ibrahim Samra, Freetown.